Hello, long time no see. Well, I have a problem with my 2002 new camera, sorry. Here baby, 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4.7 PowerTech. When I brought it, well, probably two and a half years ago, it had a bit of a grabby bit while turning, right? So as we were turning, it would sometimes like feel a little bit stiff, but didn't feel like anything major. And I've been driving it for about 2.5 years. All I've done is change the oil. It's been a great car, value for money, mate, you know. What we paid for it and the use we've had out of it, it's been a great car, and it will still be a great car, I hope. The other day we were driving it, we're turning right, I believe it was, turning right. Let me see. Turning right at an intersection, and once you're through the intersection, you go to turn your wheels to the left and it won't. It flat refuses to. And the first couple of times I ended up on the other side of the road, parking it to find out, you know, how am I going to get it home. So I ended up wriggling the wheel, getting it straight, driving very slowly till I got home. And this is where it still is. So what is wrong with it? I'm not really sure. I'm about to investigate, but I'm hoping that you out there will be able to answer the question, so it'll be easier for me to repair it. I haven't been around, but hopefully eventually that will change. It's only January. I promise you I'll be back sometime in the middle of the year, and I'm on track. So why driving it home on the way, I found that if you're driving it and you're turning it and it locks, you just wriggle the steering wheel, you just wriggle it hard, and then it'll unlock and straighten out again, and then it will lock again the next time you turn right. Turning left is fine, it's only turning right. So everything looks okay. So what I'm going to do now is jack it up and get Lynn to turn the steering wheel to see if I can see any major play or anything. My guess is steering box. The steering box, that's my guess. So I may have to pinch one out of my other Jeeps, either temporarily out of the Red Beast or out of the black one in the shed there, until I can find a replacement. So I've got parts available here, second-hand parts, good second-hand parts that I know work well, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. We want to take it out on the weekend. So if you know exactly what's wrong, please let me know so I don't have to fool around and look underneath. Much appreciated. Thank you. And then of course I'll pass that information on to other YouTubers who want to learn how to fix that problem. Oh, thanks for watching, and appreciate any help you can give me.